Hi guys, we are almost there to Mysore and the first short trip actually 2 nights and 3 days and we came for bird sanctuaries and we are now going on the boat right now. I am having my boat safety gears right now, and we are going now. You can see it, guys. You can see it. See there's all the. So you can see the birds there, guys. It's cool, huh? I don't know what birds are these, but it's a bird. Whoa! See there up there, guys. See there up in the sky. There's so many, and one of them is look like a statue, but it's not. The eyes are so big. It's so big. The eyeballs. Guys, you can see there, guys. It is lots of birds there. Oh my god. It's lots of birds. Oh my god. Oh my god. See guys, there's more birds there. And see it? One of the birds are there also. Whoa. Huh? Crocodile? Guys, you can see there. There's crocodile tail. Oh my god. It's a crocodile. Guys, you can see it there. Guys, see there. One of the birds are there. Who's taking a stick for his nest? Guys, you can see there, guys, that the crocodile is opened this mouth. It's not a toy, guys. It is a real one. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. That is a real crocodile. That's so scary. Hey, thinking of it. Hindi. Guys, you can see that one. It's open the beak. It's opening his mouth. Oh, such moved. It's such moved. Oh my god. It's moving that side and that side. It's seeing. See? It's seeing us. It is seeing us. It is seeing us. Hello. Huh? Who's this guy? He's seeing like that. That's funny. See? He's not even seeing us. He's confused. Who are these guys? He's confused. Guys, see guys, there's so many up here. There's so many birds. Oh my god. There's so many. Guys, see that one? He's eating itself. He's catching itself. Look at his head. How is like so flexible? His head. Guys, it is so close, guys. You can see the crocodile. It's not a toy, guys. It's not a toy. It's a real one. Hello. Hi. Nice to meet you. It's so pretty. Oh my god, the teeth are short. It is sleeping. It is sleeping. It is sleeping. It is sleeping. Oh my god, that is so scary. That's so scary. Oh my god. Guys, it is such a half an hour boat ride, and the boat ride is going to end right now. And I will catch you in another video, guys. And thank you for watching this. Kevin Chad. Bye.